Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the mobile version of the User Management module. The User Management module facilitates creation and management of user access to various resources in the workplace. It's the most powerful and complex module in the system, and it's recommended that only users with a strong knowledge of the system and its functionality use the tools in this module. We strongly recommend viewing the tutorial for the desktop version of the User Management module, which appears at the top of the module when you're logged into the system on a desktop computer. The desktop tutorial goes into greater detail about the various fields and functions available. And finally, before accessing the mobile version of the User Management module, for general information about the mobile version of the system, we also recommend you view the System Overview for Mobile tutorial, which is published on your system's dedicated YouTube channel, along with other system tutorials. By default, only the Workplace Administrator can access the User Management module. However, like all system modules, access to this module can be given to any individual user via the controls within this module. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything just as the Workplace Administrator would see it. While the functions themselves are unique to this module, it is based on the same fundamental layout as all other modules in the mobile version of the system. To the right of the module name are the help notes and link to this video tutorial. Below the module name, an information box displays the number of current users, in addition to the Workplace Administrator, who've been invited to access the workplace. This area also displays the total number of users who can be invited according to the parameters of your system subscription. Next are the main module controls. In this case, a plus icon which opens a new user invitation form, followed by the import users icon and group management icon, both of which are only functional in the desktop version of the system. And lastly, the export icon, which exports all the data from this module in CSV format. Below the main controls are the search and filtering tools that are common to many modules in the system. Entering 3 or more characters into the search field filters any relevant results that can be selected directly, or the search icon can be selected to search all the results. To clear search results and return to the full list, either reselect the module from the module navigation menu or clear the search field and reselect the search icon. The arrow to the right of the search icon opens and closes the list filtering controls. Filtering controls are common to most modules in the system, although the actual filters vary from module to module. The export icon below the search and filtering tools allows the export of all the filtered results in the list view in a CSV format. Below the export icon, the next area of list control is the list headings. The arrow in the middle of the list headings allows you to toggle between a brief summary of each record in the list view and an extended view of the records. The up and down arrow to the left and right of the list headings sorts the records in either ascending or descending order by username or the date they were invited to access the system. When a brief summary of each record is displaying in the list, the Actions icon to the right of each record opens the action controls in a new pop-up. When the extended details of each record is displaying in the list view, the action controls are directly accessible. The colours that appear to the left of the records in the list view indicate the status of the user invitation, and more information about this is available by selecting the Module Help option. Otherwise, the mobile version for this very unique module behaves fundamentally the same as the desktop version of this module. So remember, for more information, please refer to those help resources we outlined at the beginning of this tutorial. And that concludes this tutorial. Thanks very much for watching.